Do you have blue smoke, and how to tell if your two-stroke engine running too rich? This is my old KTM 250. That's how it sounds, and especially that's how it smokes when you're running too rich. Another example we have when your two-stroke starts bogging, especially on low RPM. Exactly the same happens when you start cold, is smoking on low RPM. That's why you have smoke and no power together, like connecting. But the same happens when you're riding, and especially on lower RPMs. Listen this example. This happens when your fuel and air mixing is not right. Another reason how you can tell if you have bad mixture running too rich by checking your spark plugs. When you remove your spark plug, the first thing you will notice is color. What kind of color you have? Black or oily, white, or chocolate color, like brown, brownish, something like that. By color you can see how your engine perform. In your case, if you're running too rich, you will gonna notice you will have black and oily. This is a sign of your engine running too rich. If you notice your color is white, looks like new spark plug, it means you're running too lean. So if you have oily and dark black color, that means your engine is running too rich. You're not burning all your fuel. So we cover 3 things how to tell if your engine running too rich. Number 1, by pressing subscribe for future video like this. If you have blue smoke, it's a huge sign when you're running too rich, like the smoke is blue. Number 2, when your engine is bogging, this is a huge sign when your engine running again too rich. And number 3, you remove your spark plug and check how your spark plug looks. Black, white or chocolate color. By those 3 signs you can tell your engine running too rich, and then you can decide what kind of actions you can take in the future. Like adjust carburetor. What's this? Hello, say. Thank you for sticking around and see you soon.